Spatchcocking a chicken is the best thing to do if you want to grill or roast a chicken whole. It's a way of cutting your chicken so that it lies flat, and that way the white meat and the dark meat are going to cook very evenly. With the back facing upward, take a pair of sharp scissors and cut off the back. You want to cut along the part where the rib cage connects the spine. So all the rib bones should be on the spine and not on the body. Now you do the same thing on the other side. It doesn't matter what side you start cutting from, and don't throw away that spine because it'll go really great in a stock. Now this little white part under the breastbone is very soft, so put your knife through it, and from here you should be able to break the breastbone right open. Now your chicken is going to lie perfectly flat. You can marinate it however you want. I think today I'm just going to use salt and pepper. When I grill this, I always keep the lid closed and I try to maintain a temperature of 300 to 325 Fahrenheit. I always cook it for 20 to 25 minutes on each side and I flip it a total of 4 times. And just over an hour later, I have a perfectly barbecued spatchcock chicken.